Welcome to our guide on tracking your visa application status. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Tracking your application is crucial. It gives you peace of mind and helps you stay informed on its progress. Let's explore where to find your application tracking information so you can stay updated. Step 1 is to locate your visa application reference number. This is usually found on your application receipt. Next, visit the official visa application website. Make sure you use the correct site to ensure your privacy. Now, navigate to the Application Status section, typically found in the main menu or dashboard. In Step 4, enter the required details, including your visa application reference number and possibly additional personal information. Finally, interpret your visa application status. Common outcomes are pending, approved, or rejected. If you encounter issues, don't worry. We'll provide you with some troubleshooting tips to help you get back on track. In conclusion, staying informed about your visa application is important. Follow these steps and know what to do next.